Hello. Let's get this party started. Today I'm answering, what is Figma? I mock up a mobile experience, prototype it, and pretty much try to convince you why Figma is the shit. So let's do it. So you're watching this online, so just hop over to figma.com, sign up, and boom, you're in. It's an amazing interface design tool that doesn't require any licensing, so go do it. Once that's done, then you can design by yourself or with your team members, whether that be your copywriter or developer or client or business partner, whoever it is. You can do all of the collaboration in real time. Just be careful with those copywriters because they like to get in there and get their opinions on your design. You know who you are. Okay, so let's say you've done all of the work and you're ready to present to your team. So you don't need to export a file like you might be used to because you can prototype it, you can present it, you can share it, and you can receive comments all within Figma. So this is what a mobile prototype in Figma looks like. And you guys, the first time I started prototyping, my mind was blown. So if you're curious, let me show you around and give you a flavor of prototyping. Let's look at the Figma UI. From the left is your main menu, then your cursor to select the objects. Here are your frames, which are where you place your designs into, like artboards in Illustrator. The shape tool and the pen tool both allow you to draw various shapes. The text tool allows you to add text to your canvas. You can pan around your document with the hand tool. And this is the comments tool where you can add or show comments from others. So pretty basic stuff here. Over here shows you who's currently in the file. It's just me right now. You can share your Figma files with others with the share button. The play button plays your prototype, which we'll get into later. Zoom in and zoom out here. Cool. Down below, this design tab lets you view and adjust the properties of any object. You can also access the file's prototype settings here, which we'll talk about in a bit. And in the inspect panel, you can view the code of any selected object, which is great for your developers. And finally, the sidebar on the left gives you access to your layers, any assets and pages included in your file. I'm going to use the frame tool to create a new frame for a mobile experience. This video is just an overview, so I'm going to go quick. I already have some design elements and color styles ready to go. Figma works like Illustrator in that the shapes I make in it are vector and the properties react in a similar way. For the purpose of time, what you're looking at now is a fully built basic wireframe I designed using the tools I introduced earlier. And if you go to your prototype mode on the right sidebar, you'll notice all these crazy lines everywhere. No, they're not mistakes. They are just showing you interactive connections I made from one frame to another frame. And within each connection, I can control what I want the transition to look like or how it animates. How to prototype is a whole video in itself, and it's part of what makes Figma such a powerful industry-leading tool. Once you're done building a prototype, then you can present it in a mock space like this. You can share it. You can let others comment on it, all on Figma, all on your browser. So guys, there is so much more to learn about Figma. This was just an overview video. No, I am not affiliated with Figma. It is just an interface design tool that I find so powerful and I'm so impressed by, and I hope you are too. I'll be making more of these videos, but if you want a specific video made, let me know in the comments and I'll make sure to make one for you. I hope you'll join me. So thanks for watching and talk to you soon.